Ekonomija b'saħħitha, bażi legali u regolatorja soda, ir-riżorsi umani u l-istabilità politika u ekonomika li dejjem qed tikber waslu biex Sata Bank jiftaħ uffiċini ġodda f'pajjiżna. Għal dan iċ-Chairman tas-Sinja Holding waqt l-inawgurazzjoni tal-istess bank li saret il-ġimgħa filgħaxija mill-Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat.
Because it offers very skilled and hardworking people. We choose Malta because it's stable economically, and as we heard from the Honourable Prime Minister tonight, it has the best or the biggest growth on a yearly basis of the gross domestic product.
Sostna li tkabbir ekonomiku b'mod robust jibqa' fost l-aktar punti ewlenin li waslu biex Sata Bank fetaħ l-ewwel uffiċini tiegħu f'pajjiżna.
It's a symbol of a potential, and as we grow our operations, we're sure that Malta can support this growth.
Sata Bank għandu uffiċini u ferat oħra f'bosta pajjiżi, fosthom Zurich, Milan, Londra u Bukarest fost oħrajn. F'Malta dan il-bank għandu 20 impjegat, madankollu l-pjan huwa li dawn jiżdiedu fix-xhur li ġejjin.
We start with 20 people, but we envisage to be more than 100 in a couple of months, and according to the expectations, growing even further with the next year.
Waqt l-inawgurazzjoni, il-Prim Ministru tenna l-impenn tal-Gvern li joħloq ambjent li jgħin l-investiment u l-ħolqien tax-xogħol.